Hey everybody, it's Ange, and I'm back with your weekly roundup for Saturday, February the 1st. Now, I am a little bit under the weather, so just kind of bear with me. We're going to go through this. Now, we did find some new coupons. This Hellman's mayonnaise is $5.50. You're going to use this $2 off one and pay just $3.50. Now, early this morning, we did get some other coupons that expired yesterday. We got them back onto our account, so you might need to check yours. We got this $5 off of Game Flings. Now, this will stack with that 4 for $12 as well, so keep that in mind. But you cannot use store coupons with the P&G promo. We also got this $5 off one Downy scent beads. They are $6.95. You'll pay just $5.90. We also have back our $3.05 off on Drift. It takes this detergent from $10.50 down to $7.45. We also have this $2.05 off on the Tide Power Pods. They will stack with this $3 store coupon on the Tide Hygienic and make them just $14.90. Now, I've got your cheat sheet here. Go ahead and screenshot. Save it for in the store so that way you can work your deals better. Now, don't forget, we do have a printable doc that you can take with you. The link will be in the description box below, and it can also be found on our website, rolloutsavings.com. And as always, I will put links that I think that you'll find helpful in the description box below. Now, this Angel Soft deal, you're going to grab 3 of the $5.95, 2 of the $3.95. Your subtotal is $25.75. You're going to use these coupons, and you're going to pay just $13.75 plus tax. Now, this is an old system deal. We also have a deal that is available for a new system as well. So you definitely check that out. We also have this little pizza party deal for you. You're going to grab one of the DiGiorno at $9.95, one of them at $6.75, a 2-liter of Pepsi, and 2 bags of the Doritos. You will use the coupons that you see here, and you'll pay just $12.45 plus tax. Now, if you want to make this a new system friendly, just add the Hellman's on. You'll pay $3 more. Now we're going to go ahead and recap some of the deals that we have for this week for you guys. This Dove Men Care is $5.25. We have this $2 off, making it just $3.25. We have this buy one, get one on the Ajax and Palmolive Essentials. You're going to pay just $3.50 for both of them. The Maxwell House Coffee is $8.50. You're going to use this $2.50 off one coupon and pay just $6. The Swiffer 6-foot extender duster are $29 for 2 of them. You're going to use this $10 off 2 coupon, and you're going to pay just $19. Now, this would be a good one toward your 8 off 801 for spending $30 or your 10 off 40. Another option is to get the 3-foot ones, which are $10 each. You're going to grab 2, use your 10 off 2 coupon, and pay just $10. And you've got $20 toward your P&G promo. Next, we have this Dawn Platinum Easy Squeeze. They are $4.95. We have this $1 off coupon, making it $3.95. Or you can get the Cascade packs. They are $11.25. Use this $2 off, and you're going to spend just $9.25. If you've got a baby, even better deal. This box of Pampers diapers are $27.95. We have this $5 off coupon, and this also qualifies for the promotion. So, if you got babies, this is a good time to get them. Another option is the Easy Ups. You can grab 2 of the packs. You're going to pay just $17 after this $3 off 2 coupon, and these qualify for the P&G as well. Crest 3D White Brilliance is $9. You're going to use this $4 off one, pay $5. Now, here are our filler items for this week. Now, pay attention to what you used last week, because we do have a few of those in here. The Febreze warmer is $3.30. It has a $3.30 off one, making it completely free. We have this Febreze Bora Bora. Now, as of the time here that I'm making the video, the Bora Bora is the only one that is attaching to the coupon and the P&G promotion. So, if you're going to use this, make sure that you scan and that you got the right scent. You're going to pay just 95 cents. The Gain Ultra Dish Liquid is $2. We have the 75 cents off of one coupon, making them $1.25. This trial size herbal essences is $2.50. We have $1 off one, making it just $1.50. This Airwick Advanced Warmer is $4. We have this $4 off one coupon, making it completely free. If you still have your $3 off two Pepsi Lay's, grab you 1 liter of the Pepsi product and these Doritos Minis, and you're going to pay just $1.60. Now, I did look through the ad for next week, and I did find a couple of early activation deals that maybe you might be able to take advantage of. Now, we do have 10% off on the gift cards that you see here. This is a great way to save money. Next, we have this Save $2 instantly when you spend $8 on any root-to-end hair care. Now, these are $5 at the store. We have this $2 off coupon as well, and it does expire tomorrow. So if you're going to take advantage of this deal, do it then. You're going to grab two, and after your savings and your DQ, you're going to pay $6 for two of them. That's not too bad. Now, if you still have this $5 off for spending $15 on Nestle products, we have these Hot Pockets. They do qualify for the coupon. They are going to be on sale 4 for $10. So you're only going to grab $5 more, and you're going to get $5 off. That is not a bad deal at all. The next deal I have for you is the Kellogg's cereal. They're going to be on sale 4 for $8. We have these DG cashback offers in our accounts. So you're going to go in, you grab 4, you're going to pay $8. You're going to get back 75 cents per box for a total of $3 in DG cash back. Your net out of pocket is $5 or $1.25 each. First we have here is the Pepsi. Now, these are on the sale right now, 3 for $15. However, they're going to be on sale 3 for $13. Now, we're going to end up getting a $2 coupon, but if you need these tomorrow and you're going to get them anyway, just go after 7. You're going to pay $2 less. Now, the Lay's will be buy 2, get 2 free on these $4.25 bags. These also attach to that 3 off too. So, if you're going to need some chips anyway, go ahead, go after 7 p.m. Eastern, and that way you can get the best deal possible. Now, here is you a deal using the chips and the Pepsi products together. You're going to buy 3 of the Pepsi 12 packs. You're going to buy 4 bags of the Lay's chips. You're going to use that $3 off when you buy 2 Pepsi Lay's. You're going to use your $1 off 3 on the Pepsi, and you're going to pay $17.50 out of pocket. Next, we have the 6-pack bottles. They are going to be on sale 4 for $13. Now, this will also work with that 3 all for 2 Pepsi, so if you'd rather have the bottles, go ahead and just substitute that for the 12 packs, and it's only going to be $1 more. Now, we appreciate you guys for hanging out with us. Make sure that you're following us on all of our social media. If you would like to support our channel, just like, comment, share, subscribe. That is the easiest way that you can help us out. We want to say a huge thank you. Don't forget to share your deals with us and your hauls. Stay safe out there, guys. Later.